In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to update the firmware on the HP M880 printer. Updating the firmware helps improve performance, fix software issues, and keep your printer running smoothly. Let us start the process step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
To begin, first turn on the printer. Now all you need to do is wait until the printer screen changes, just like the image shown on the left. You need to be quick. As soon as the screen changes, quickly double-tap the center of the screen to enter the printer's boot menu. Now you are in the boot menu. Go to the Administrator option and open it. At the moment, the touchscreen may not respond normally. This issue will be fixed after the firmware update, although your printer may not have this problem. Now you need to perform a partial clean and disk format once, so the previous version is removed and the printer is ready for the new firmware installation. Now go to Google and search for your exact printer model along with the word driver. Now open the first website. Now find the firmware section on this website and open it. Download the latest firmware. You can check the release date to see which version is newer. Here I can see the 2025 firmware, so I will download that one. Transfer the downloaded file to a USB flash drive. Now open your USB drive and extract the compressed file. Make sure WinRAR or similar software is installed on your computer. Now remove any extra files and make sure the two firmware files are directly in the main folder. If they remain inside a subfolder, the printer will not be able to recognize them.
Important: use a 2 GB or 4 GB USB drive. Larger sizes like 64 GB won't work. Also, copy the extracted firmware files directly to the root of the USB, not inside any folder, so the printer can detect them correctly.
At this stage, connect the USB drive to the printer. Now open the download section and then open the USB thumb drive. Here you should see your firmware file. Just press OK to start the firmware update process. To save your time, we sped up the video. It will take about 3 to 6 minutes to transfer the file to the printer. The only thing you need to be careful about is that the printer must not be turned off or lose power during this process. Now that the firmware file has been fully transferred, simply go back and press Continue, then OK to start the firmware installation process. This process will take about 10 to 20 minutes. Please wait, do not turn off the printer, and make sure the printer stays connected to power. The process is now complete. Only some simple settings remain, such as date and time. Follow along with the video to set them correctly. Now you have successfully updated the firmware on the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise Flow MFP M880 series. Your printer is now running the latest version, which improves performance, fixes software issues, and ensures smooth operation. Remember to check and adjust simple settings like date and time. For more advanced printer tips and troubleshooting guides, stay tuned with Device Doctor.